Let's have a Tagalog video lesson. There are many repeated or reduplicated words in Tagalog, from names of places, body parts, numbers, food, even nicknames are reduplicated. Some of these words, when not repeated, conveys another meaning. Some indicates frequency and numbers. On this video, let's have 25 of these reduplicated Tagalog words. Halo-halo. From the word halo, which means mix. The word halo also means ingredients. Halo-halo is made up of different layers or different mixture of ingredients that has to be mixed before eating. Araw-araw. Araw-araw means every day or daily. Gabi-gabi. From the word gabi, which means evening or night. Gabi-gabi means every evening. Also, sharing the same pronunciation, gabi-gabi is used when referring to caladium plant. Liko-liko. Liko-liko means zigzag. Liko-liko ang daan papunta sa Kalapan. Liko-liko ang daan papunta sa Kalapan. Also, the word liko, when not repeated, is a root verb. Example is lumiko, which is in its past tense an imperative form. This word means assumption or speculation. Haka-haka. Haka-haka. Uto-uto. Uto-uto. This is someone who can be easily persuaded to believe something. Someone who is gullible. Bilo-bilo. Bilo-bilo. This is a dessert made from tapioca pearls, sweet rice flour made into balls, sweet yam, and is cooked in coconut milk. Bako-bako. Bako-bako. This word means bumpy. Bako-bako ang daan. Bako-bako ang daan. While the word buwan could either mean the moon or month, when repeated, buwan-buwan means monthly or every month. Buwan-buwan. Taon means year. If we are going to repeat the word, taon-taon means every year or yearly. Waling-waling, the queen of Philippine orchids. This orchid, which was discovered in 1882, is native to Mindanao. Waling-waling is considered the most beautiful of all orchids found in the Philippines, reason why it is dubbed as the queen of Philippine orchids. Back to food. Pichi-pichi. This round-shaped delightful snack is made from grated cassava. It has milk or water, sugar, with grated coconut for toppings. Let's say that again, slower. Pichi-pichi. Tiba-tiba. Often, this word has something to do with monetary gain, but tiba-tiba also means gaining something in large number. Let's say that again. Tiba-tiba. Nakabenta ako ng 10 halaman ngayon. Kaya tiba-tiba ako. Nakabenta ako ng 10 halaman ngayon. Kaya tiba-tiba ako. Also, just for an extra information, I just want to add that the word itself, tiba, is a root verb. It means hack or cut. Only use this word when cutting down a tree. Dala-dala. This word, repeated or not, conveys the same meaning. Carrying. Dala-dala ko ang malaking kahon. Dala ko ang malaking kahon. Gaya-gaya. Copycat. Pareho kayo ng suot? Sino ang gaya-gaya? Let's say that again so you guys can follow. Pareho kayo ng suot? Sino ang gaya-gaya? Another extra info. Aside from being a root verb, the word gaya is the equivalent of the word like, which is used when indicating similarities. Tahimik siya, gaya ko. Tahimik siya, gaya ko. She's quiet like me. Some numbers are also repeated. Example here is isa-isa. Isa means one. Isa-isa means one at a time or one by one. Daan means road or way. But when reduplicated or repeated, daan-daan means hundreds. Anting-anting. This is the counterpart of the word amulet and talisman in English. Anting, anting. Alang-alang. This is your word when taking something or someone in consideration. Wala akong sasabihin alang-alang sa'yo. Wala akong sasabihin alang-alang sa'yo. Oras-oras. Oras means hour. Oras-oras means every hour. Ngala-ngala. This is the palate. Ngala-ngala. Guni-guni. This word would be the counterpart of figment of imagination. Guni-guni. Kararating ko lang kaya hindi ako yun. Guni-guni mo lang yun. Kararating ko lang. Kaya hindi ako yun. Guni-guni mo lang yun. This word means ankle. Bukong-bukong. Bukong-bukong. Tawi-tawi. Located in Mindanao, Tawi-Tawi is the southernmost province of the Philippines. Let's have this scented flower for our last reduplicated word. Ilang-ilang. The flowers of ilang-ilang are made into leis used in graduations, welcoming tourists and visitors, ceremonies, and are sold near church entrances. And this is where our video ends. That's all for our 25 Tagalog reduplicated or repeated words. Until next time, hanggang sa muli!